In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an entry to your education section on your LinkedIn profile. This process is an excellent way to showcase your educational background to potential employers or connections, and it's a straightforward task that can make your profile stand out. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can use your email address and password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account by sending a code to your phone. This is a crucial step to ensure the security of your account, so make sure to complete this if required. Once you're logged in, head over to your LinkedIn homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see the Me icon. Click on this and then choose View Profile from the drop-down menu that appears. This action will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile where you can make updates and changes. When you're on your profile page, locate the introduction section just beneath your profile picture. Here you'll find an option to add profile section. Click on this button. A drop-down menu will appear, and from the core options provided, select Add Education. This option is essential as it allows you to input all the details related to your academic achievements. After selecting Add Education, you'll be directed to a form where you can enter your academic details. It's important to fill in each applicable field thoroughly to provide a complete overview of your educational background. Start by typing the name of your school, followed by the degree you obtained. Next, specify your field of study and the start and end dates or your expected graduation date if you have not yet completed your studies. These elements give a clear picture of your educational journey. Furthermore, you have the opportunity to add a description of your education. Here you can include additional information such as specific projects you worked on, honours you received, or any other relevant details that highlight your achievements and experiences. This additional context can be valuable for others looking at your profile, giving them insight into your skills and expertise. Once you've thoroughly filled in all the necessary information, take a moment to review your entries for any errors or omissions. When you're satisfied with the information provided, simply click Save to finalize the addition to your profile. By completing this process, your educational history will now be visible to anyone who visits your LinkedIn page, potentially drawing attention from recruiters or professionals within your industry. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. By keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date and detailed with educational achievements, you enhance your professional presence online.